Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to edit your existing WordPress website. It's a straightforward process that empowers you to keep your site fresh and up to date. We'll cover the essential steps, from logging in to making your first content changes. You'll learn how to navigate the dashboard and utilize the powerful block editor to customize your pages and posts with ease. Let's get started on enhancing your online presence today. Once you're in the dashboard, modifying your content is simple. Head over to either Pages or Posts on the left-hand menu. Choose the item you want to update and click its title to open it in the editor. Here, you can directly click on any text block to make changes. You can also add new blocks, like an image gallery or a video, to enrich your content and engage your visitors. Beyond content, WordPress allows extensive customization of your site's appearance. Navigate to the Appearance section in your dashboard. Here, you can change your theme, manage widgets in your sidebars, and organize your navigation menus. The Customize option provides a live preview, letting you see changes to colors, fonts, and layouts instantly. This ensures your website perfectly reflects your brand's aesthetic. After making your desired edits, it's crucial to save and publish your work. For content, use the Save Draft button often to prevent losing progress. Before going live, always click Preview to see how your changes will look to visitors. When you're satisfied, hit the Update or Publish button to make your edits visible to the world. If changes don't appear, clearing your website's cache often resolves the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.